Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back from another banger video, guys. As you see by the title, guys, we are checking out the Nothing Phone 1 and the Nothing Phone 2 and seeing which one is a better option for this year. And if you like the Nothing Phone, which one should you get? So as you see, this one came 2023 July 17th, and the first one came July 16th. So every July, I think they pretty much make a new phone. So that's something great right there about them. So let's pretty much look at them. Nothing Phone 2 comes with a 6.7-inch display. So that's something really good. Nothing 1 comes with a 6.55-inch display. So you're gonna see a a bit of a bigger screen in the Nothing Phone 2. So if you care about how large is your display, that's something you need to look forward to. Um, Both 50 megapixel camera with 4K recording. Also, 8 to 12 gigs of RAM, both the same amount of RAM. But the only good thing about Nothing Phone 2 about the chipset has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and the Nothing Phone 1 has a Snapdragon 778 Plus 5G. This one's a bit outdated. It's not even the 888. But yeah, this is really good. Snapdragon is really good, so that's something really good there. So you're gonna get a bigger screen, better screen with a better chipset. It has 4,700 milliamp hours. This one only has 4,500, so you're getting 200 more milliamp hours. Faster charging with a 45 watts, and the wireless is 15. This one is also 15. So yeah, that's something good there. Display, you're getting both LTPO OLED 1B color, so it's going to be really vibrant, really nice. 120 hertz on both. HDR10 plus with 1600 nits this time. Last one was only 500. 500 is really, really low in 2022. So that's something bad about the Nothing Phone 1. Yeah, Geekbench results 33 FPS. Not the best Geekbench results. On here it gives you 60 FPS with really good things. So 14 hours and 21 minutes. And here we can't really see it. Let's just look for old 1 hour 3, 1 hour 8. So you're pretty much getting a bit better of battery. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You're gonna have 3 major upgrades, so 3 years worth of updates for the Nothing Phone 2, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's check out more in depth. As you see, Nothing Phone 2 actually destroys the Nothing Phone 2 with the score here. So let's just check it out and see which one's better. As you see here, 87% better in Antutu benchmark. So you're gonna have 87% in 1 year difference. The Geekbench results is so much different. As you see here, almost double or triple this Nothing Phone 1. It triples it pretty much. Absolutely amazing score right there. Delivers a 51% higher brightness, so you're gonna have good brightness. That's pretty much it. Newer Bluetooth version, so the Bluetooth is gonna be better. You're gonna have water resistance, that is better. Slow motion recording at 240 FPS. The phone is obviously 1 year newer. Supports high watt charging, 45 versus 33 watts. More efficient CPUs, Dragon Plus Gen 1, 64% faster in Geekbench 6 test. So it's going to be way faster, way stronger, and that's why it's a really good phone. Um, Display, as you see, destroys it 84 to 78. Camera is pretty much very, very similar, but it's going to be a bit better on the phone too. So if you just care about the camera, the difference is almost no difference. So if you really care about the camera, do not upgrade. Performance, it is going to be better on the phone 2 by a lot because the Geekbench results, new Dragon, everything like that. Phone 2 has 75% on gaming. Phone 1 has only 37, so very terrible there. Battery, a bit better on the phone 2, but you're not going to see massive differences. Connectivity, networks, ports, and data transfer, pretty much the same thing, but phone 2 still beats it there. So yeah, as you see here, 6.7 inch, better resolution. But on the phone 1 has better PPI. 360 hertz, touching, sampling, great, all of that. It's gonna have a better response time, 51% better on brightness. As you see here, but way more actually on here, as you see. IP54 waterproof and 3200 max clock speed, so it's gonna be very good on the SoC I meant, sorry. And CPU, GPU, memory, total score destroys it hard. For 1 year difference, this is like, if I look at this, I say this is 3 years or plus. This is really good, really good benchmark results from the phone. And that's pretty much it from here. Selfie camera, 32 megapixel. This one's only 16. Bluetooth version is more. The phone is actually really good, as you see here. So guys, if you guys want to buy the Nothing Phone 1, if you're interested on that, for the 8 gigs with 128 gigabytes, it's $750 for the Nothing Phone 1. Nothing Phone 2 is around 949. It used to be 1050. Right now they have a sale, I think, or this is just in the new price. It's 949. So guys, we're gonna check out on the value for money and see which one is better option. As you see, it's a bit of a difference on the money. So let's calculate it and see. And as you see, the Nothing Phone 2 is 28.2 better value for money ratio. So you're gonna get pretty much better. It's pretty much worth it to spend $200 extra on the Nothing Phone 2. So my advice for you is to get the Nothing Phone 2. You're gonna have a way better experience. But again, the only downside about it, the camera isn't that much improved from the Nothing 1. Just remember that in the camera. The only difference is the selfie camera is much better. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll guys catch you in the next one. Peace.